friends, welcome back to Cinderella's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making something really fun. We're going to be making a Kit Kat cake. All you need for this is a couple of boxes of your favorite cake mix, 2 containers of your favorite frosting, some Kit Kats, your favorite candies, we're using miniature M&Ms for this one, and some ribbon to hold your Kit Kats on your cake. So we're going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and make my cake and we'll be right back to put it all together. We have our cake here. I've stacked it and I did put a crumb coating on it. You don't have to do that. It's just a force of habit. I had already done it and realized I really didn't need to. But I've put my frosting in a bowl. You always want to, since it's from a container, you always want to put it in a bowl or something, at least make sure you stir it around and get it all kind of mixed up. And then this is the easiest part. You're just going to take your frosting and you're going to put it on your cake. And you're just going to layer your cake with frosting. Just take some of your frosting and just start putting it all the way around your cake. And you can do it with 1 box of cake mix if you just want to do 2 layers. I like the 3 layer. If you do 2 layers, you'll just need to put more candy filling on the top of your cake because you'll have a little bit of a little section where the Kit Kat is a little taller than your cake. And you'll just want to fill that up with candy. So, I mean, you don't have to use 2 boxes of cake mix. You can get away with 1. Just do a 2-layer cake. This is going to be a 3-layer cake because I used 3 boxes and I just evenly distributed the cake in the pans. So we're just going to put our frosting on. And it doesn't have to be even or smooth because the Kit Kats are going to go on top of the frosting. So you can just put it on however you can get it on. Okay, smooth out the top. All right, and I have taken all of my Kit Kats out. And we'll just start putting those on our cake. So you have your Kit Kat. I usually break them in 2. And then I just stick it on there. And just kind of line them up. And this cake is very easy. The only thing is cake mix itself, you can probably get those for about $1 each. The candies, that just depends on what candy you use, is how expensive it is. The most expensive part is going to be the Kit Kat. They're probably going to be about $1 each package, and there's 4 in each package. So I've used 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it came out to like, about 10 or 12 packages. So that's probably going to be like the most expensive part. And depending on the ribbon is usually not that expensive. And if you go to Hobby Lobby to get your ribbon, you can use, usually they have 40% off ribbon, or you can use your 40% off coupon with your Hobby Lobby app and get a discount on your ribbon. Let's just finish putting these Kit Kats on. You don't usually have to use the ribbon. I mean, they're staying on pretty well, but I think it looks really pretty if you're doing, especially if you're doing something for festive. And then one last little Kit Kat, and there you go. And then the last thing is our candies, and we're just gonna sprinkle them all over the top. Kind of smooth them out. You can usually use any kind of cake mix. You can use any kind of candies. Our favorite, this is just kind of a traditional chocolate cake, chocolate icing, M&Ms, traditional Kit Kat cake. We really like to do like a white cake and put like raspberry puree in the middle for some of the filling with the buttercream icing. And then we'll put fresh raspberries on top. You can do chocolate covered strawberries. You can do any kind of fresh fruit. You can do candies of any kind. And here we go. Here is our M&M Kit Kat cake. Let's see, so basically $1 for the cake mix, around $1 for the frosting, and we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 11 or 12 for the Kit Kats, and they're about 88 cents a package, so that's going to be the most expensive part. But here we go. Here's our Kit Kat cake, and all we have left to do is put on our ribbon. I've cut our ribbon, so I'm just going to wrap the ribbon around our cake, and I'm just going to hold it on with some double stick tape. Put our double stick tape on. Wrap our ribbon. And just stick it on. And there you go. You can leave it like this, or I put the part that it's sticking together, I put it in the back, and in the front I just made a little bow. Put a little bow on our tape. So I will take on our cake. I will take a little more double stick tape. And just hold it on there. Press it on, fluff up our bow. And there you go. Kit Kat cake with M&Ms. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try making your Kit Kat cake if they're perfect for birthday parties or get-togethers, or just because you want something delicious and sweet. So let me know if you've tried this cake, and I hope you like this video. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time in Cinderella's Kitchen.